replacing the battery in the York electronic lock. Basically grab a hold on either side of the top on this plastic, just kind of jiggle it until it pops off. Pull the tab, batteries come out. 4 of them in here total. Just replace them. I put the new ones back in here, make sure that the ribbon is out. Try to get that battery in there so it's all good to go. And put it makes a nice little song saying, "Yes, I have brand new batteries, yay." And then you put the cap back on it, she's good to go. There's a spare set of AA batteries here in the drawer next to the door.